Universal, powerful habits for today's life. Suffering, one way, is actually good. It is just a kind of pain, and why are you afraid? We give our lives meaning, and if you feel like life is meaningless, then that is your fault. Everything ends, that includes youth, love, life, all end, and that is what makes them very valuable. Personal freedom is worth the price. Being free to do what you want with people who you like is the highest form of success in life. Life is a game, and find the games you want to play. Learn the rules and find a way to be successful. Free things are worthless, and nobody appreciates things that are cheap or free. We don't appreciate what we have, and we only look at what we don't have. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Figure out a way or don't complain. Maintaining relationships takes work, and never take people for granted. Be a realist about the big things. Consider life isn't a movie, you need have a plan. Positive people give you a lot of energy, and make an effort to get close to people who are always positive. Learning is the answer to everything, and it never ends. It's okay to be alone, and you don't have to be around people always. Impatience is toxic, and you miss what's in front of you. Universal, powerful habit for today's life. 15. You suck at a lot of things, and don't try to chase every single opportunity. So one has to choose wisely, and don't focus on everything. Focus on the things which you are having the interest. Prioritize. That is most important. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.